Hey everyone, it's Raleigh, and today I'm in my weekly cousin planning for the week of July 10th through 16th. And I'm going to be using this great Out of the Woods kit from the Coffee Monster Co. The last little while I've been using kind of the brighter summery colors, but I really like this kit, and actually where I am too, a big part of summer is sort of the outdoors, and so the kind of woodsy theme is great as well. So I'm looking forward to using this one. And I'm going to start by, I'll use the numbers again. I really like using these numbers. It just makes everything look so much nicer. So I think it'll kind of be a regular thing I do. So we'll grab these. All right, so I went ahead and got the numbers on, and I'm going to use the little headers from this kit as well. And it's a really cute little row of trees. So we'll get all these in too. And yeah, I just really like the colors in this kit, the greens and the kind of browns and grays. So thought it'd be nice, something a little different. And I'm back from vacation. I will be back from vacation, so I just wanted something a little new. And I'll grab the weekend banner from this as well. There we go. And we'll sort of kind of try and center this. There we are. Nice. All right, so, I'm going to put my line in too to separate out the weekend. Let me grab that. All right, so I got the line in, and I think what I'm going to do to separate out the area from kind of each day to the different lists and things underneath is I think I'm going to use this. I think it's kind of like big washi almost. So I think I'll use these. Okay. Just for something a little bit different. I think I might put a bit higher than, maybe a bit higher than normal. I know this is, especially this design is maybe meant more to go along the bottom, but I think it'll be a good little divider. There we go. Okay, a little bit too far for the right. Let me see here. I'm not really fussy about things, but I think in this case I will reposition a little bit. These are pretty forgiving. And I'll put a link to, I think I've got a kind of a code, a referral code for Coffee Monster Co. So I'll put that in the description too. There we go. That's looking good. Nice. Okay, and I'll get the other one, and I'll need to lift up the tape, but that's okay. Yeah, I've been really enjoying trying out some of the different kits, and having everything coordinated just looks really nice. And I'm hoping this week I know it'll be a good week. It's always a little bit of anxiety for me going back to work, just not knowing what you're going to be coming back to. But I have a really good group of colleagues I work with, so I'm sure it will be fine. Let's see here. Okay, let's grab the kit, and what do I want next? Oh, here we go. I want to put a couple of things. So this is a kind of neat little, kind of every day of the week, which I don't normally use these, but I think I'm going to use this because my focus this week is going to be on kind of purging and organizing different areas of my house. So I'm going to write those down there. And then I, of course, got to grab a couple of these. So cute. And these kits are pretty good. You can use them, I'll get a couple of weeks out of them, so I think it'll be good. But yeah, in my week off last week was nice. I was able to see a lot of family and friends, but I maybe was a bit ambitious with the other things I wanted to get done. But I was also just being sort of kind to myself and letting myself, relax as well, because that's a big part of what the week was about. So I tried not to stress too much. I'll get everything done in time. So yeah, I'll use that label for that header, and then let's see. I've got to put my usual work back up at the top with a couple of arrows too. There we go, and grab the text. There we go. yeah, I really like the lettering on these too. And then it'll just be, I'll straighten out a little. And hi, Ren, yes. And then I'll just grab a couple arrows too. All right, so I put the arrows on, a little wonky. And I put a no spend tracker on the left, and I'm just gonna drop this down. I'll use this for my next week notes. And then I think I want to put another one of the little deco box things in the bottom right as well. Let's see here. And up top you can see my swatches for the highlighter, or the markers that I'll use. Yeah, we'll put this tree one down. And then I also want to use, there's check boxes that I like to use, and I think there's a set with the colors that match this really well. There we are. Yeah, I think those look good, so let me get those on. Okay, I'm just putting down the last checkbox. Yeah, these colors go perfectly. All right. And I do, up in the top left, I'll put something up there. So let's put a label and figure out what I want to go and grab a text piece too. I'll put this up here. There we go. All right, that's looking pretty good. Okay, just sticking the important on there. I'm not sure what the important thing will be. I might actually just put more like a mood sticker. Being I'm coming back from vacation, I want to remember to be kind of easy on myself. All right, so what is next? I'm trying to think of what events and things are happening. Kind of how my week's going to go. So on Thursday and Friday, there are some specific things I want to do. So I'm going to put the to-dos on there. And then my plan is for the other days to just kind of put like holding spaces, and then that's what I'll use those lists for at the bottom. But Thursday is payday, so there's a couple things that'll happen. I go over my finances, I pay my bills, that kind of thing. So I think I'll just use these dots on this one. And debating, I think I might do the same thing on Friday, but before I forget, put one of these little kind of sticky notes for back to work. And yes, I will do Friday, because Friday will be a day I will do my sort of errands and shopping. I'll stick these little things on as well. So payday, a little tick thing for pay bills, and I'll maybe find another budgety kind of sticker. Yeah, use that. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. And then I do think I want to add stuff to Friday. Yeah, I'll put a to-do there as a specific to-do list as well. Okay, might need to bring up, oh no, that's pretty good. And I'm sort of jumping around here as I'm looking at my stickers. I saw this cute little kind of, worky kind of one, so I put that up there. And back to the to-dos on Friday. This is kind of how my mind is, a little jumpy. So I'll put a couple of these dots down too. Yeah, these kits are great. Just having everything coordinated makes it look so nice. Let me move that. Go. All right. Yeah. Now, what is next? Oh, I know. I wanted to grab, I bought these really cute little s'more stickers. So I thought it might kind of go, since it's an outdoorsy summer, well, my summer, but a kind of outdoorsy thing. Hey, Ren. So pop that down. These are so cute. Yes, Ren, you helping? Good girl. You kind of go with the colors of this spread. Okay, I put a few more stickers down. I realized the camera wasn't focusing because Ren got so close, but I think we're clear now. So yeah, just a couple more little things. And I think that will be it. I am tempted to put more in, but I want to leave space to actually kind of be able to add them during the week as well. So I think it's about time. I will step away and fill this in and show you guys what that looks like in a sec. And here it is, more filled in with some other events. I've also put some label spaces to prompt me on those days to do a couple of things. So I've got a couple of lists at the bottom. The idea is I'll kind of choose from them each day, as well as some habits that I want to track. So yeah, I really enjoy this kit. I think it's really, really pretty, and I'm happy with the way that it turned out. Ren, I think, is pleased as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, leave a comment and say hi, and I will see you soon. Bye.